Welcome to the Firing Up the Tek Screw removal video. On this video we're going to be removing the Tek screw from the internal side of the ductwork. You use this method when you can't get them from the external attachments, usually towards the back of the damper or where the damper has been situated in an inaccessible point. To remove it then, as you can see here, you have two Tek screws. Tek screws shouldn't be used because in the manufacturer's instructions, it turns around and says it must be a breakaway joint. Tek screws do not fall under this category, so need to be replaced. The way we do this then is we reverse drill them up from the internal and replace them with an aluminium rivet, which is recommended by the manufacturers. You can also use plastic rivets or other shearable fixings. Using the star-shaped adapter then, you place it onto the end of the Tek screw. You reverse drill it out. It will go to a point. That's where you use your punch and just poke it through the rest of the way. Where you have the hole then that is left by the removal of the Tek screw, that is where you're going to place your aluminium rivet. Once you've removed the Tek screw from the hole, then you replace it with the aluminium rivet. If needed, you might need to be required to drill this hole slightly larger to allow you to get the rivet in place. Place your rivet in. A nice there. And then you repeat as necessary for the amount of Tek screws that are present in the system.
Yeah.